everyone, welcome back to another trade breakdown. This is going to be a trade breakdown on GBPCAD and how I made $3,000. Now let's start off on the daily chart. You can see that this candle right here was our order block. I'm using the wick, so I'm using 50% of the wick, draw it out in time, and you can see price trades into it and we trade away. And you can see from the low of this candle to the high of this candle, this is a fair value gap. So there were two PD arrays being utilized here. Then if we look at this down close candle, draw it out in time, this is our proportion candle, and from the low of this candle to the high of this candle, this is our fair value gap. So I was looking for price to trade higher and target the buy side liquidity above these highs. So after the daily chart, I moved on to the 1 hour chart. So once I moved on to the 1 hour chart, I was looking at this bullish breaker right here. So from the low to the high to the lower low, this then becomes our bullish breaker. So these two up close candles will be utilized in time, and then from the 1 hour chart I moved on to the 5-minute chart to execute. Once I moved on to the 5-minute chart, you guys can see that this is our bullish breaker. So I was targeting this fair value gap right here, so this is where I took partials and moved to break even. So this is where I entered long. I was buying when we traded into this fair value gap and these up close candles. So these were our bullish breaker, and this is where I was buying, and my stop loss was below this low. So I hope you guys found this breakdown useful. If you want to see more breakdowns like this, let me know down below, and as always, thanks for watching.